As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm trying to decide between the Char-Broil Grill2Go X200, ASINB 00BFPMLI8, and the Char-Broil Performance Series 4-burner, ASINB 07JZV24HV. Any thoughts?
Yeah, I can help with that. The Grill2Go is clearly the portable option, right? It only weighs 20 pounds.
Exactly. But the Performance Series is a full-sized grill at 85 pounds. That's a big difference. What about cooking space?
Huge difference there, too. The Grill2Go only has 200 square inches, while the Performance Series boasts 475 square inches of primary cooking space, plus a 130 square inch warming rack. So, you could grill way more burgers at once with the Performance Series.
Right, and it has 4 burners. The Grill2Go is just a single burner. Does that mean the Performance Series gets way hotter?
Well, not necessarily hotter, but it definitely has more BTU power. The Performance Series has 36,000 BTUs total, while the Grill2Go only has 9,500. More BTUs means it can heat up faster and maintain the temperature better across that larger cooking surface and cook food faster.
Okay, that makes sense. And the Performance Series has that side burner, right?
Yep, a 10,000 BTU side burner, great for sauces or boiling water. The Grill2Go doesn't have anything like that. It's pretty basic, just a grill.
So the Grill2Go is really just for taking places, tailgating, camping, that kind of thing?
Exactly. It's designed for portability. But the Performance Series has features like a side shelf, electronic ignition, and illuminated control knobs. It's designed for your patio or deck.
What about the grates? Are they the same?
Both have porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are good for heat retention and easy cleaning.
Okay. Price-wise, the Grill2Go is around $148 right now, and the Performance Series is $370. That's a significant jump.
Definitely. You're paying for the size, the extra burners, the side burner, and all the extra features. It really comes down to how and where you plan to use it. If you need something portable, the Grill2Go is the clear winner. But if you want a full-sized grill for regular backyard use, the Performance Series is the way to go.
Thanks. That really helps. I think I need to decide how often I'll actually be grilling on the go. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.